Yo, you already know where I'm at, boys. The Civic, you already know. But anyway, so the one thing that I needed to do to the Civic to actually drive it was get a steering wheel, and we got the rod knocking kind of fixed. It's sort of still there. You know how it is, but we'll just deal with it, drive it till it blows, engine swap it, and then whatever. But it needed a steering wheel, and it had a NRG hub, kind of the part of the hub on it already. Or this is not even the hub, it's like a quick release. I don't even know what that specific NRG part would be called. And I think the other guy took the other half of it. But anyway, so I'm not even sure. So I bought a new, I think this is like a short hub. We got the short hub. We got the quick release, and then the actual steering wheel, and then we got all the tools in the back. We're fixing to take this thing off, and yeah, we finna put ourselves a steering wheel on, boys. Heck yeah. But anyway, so this is what was on it. It's like an NRG product for sure, but like the thing is there's a bolt here, or a nut, I meant to say a nut. I took it off and I put these pliers on it. And yeah, that crap is not moving at all. I can't get it to pull off. So basically, from the hub right here, I figured out that this part right here just literally slides right onto here. So basically, oh fuck, yeah, it didn't go on there all the way, but this part perfectly slides on there. So I think he took this part and left this part. But anyway, I bought like a different hub, so I'm gonna put this piece onto the steering wheel, and I'm gonna try to use it to pull this little piece off the hub real quick, and I hope it works.
All the on my jacket. Work hard, now I'm changing my bracket. Talk tough, we ain't hear that racket. Dots came, man, you know how to stack it. Take it wrong, but I'ma need my ends though. I got tigers on my chest like Kenzo. Rail came, yeah, he putting that Benz though. Carol's here, man, you know he stay 10 toes. Big dog, man, you know I ain't worried. Bent up, so I'm talking real slurry. Got a blast, bro, I'm always in a hurry. Big Drake, shooting 30 like Curry. Take a yerky, ain't know he stay passed up. You don't catch him late night, you asked up. No, real, how to put the E-class up. They like, X nigga, how you take the fast ride? 2018, it was me and Big Corey. Flowing through the city, Teddy Coop, true story. Niggas rats, they be singing like Tory. They was real, but them niggas not for me. Wanna see me shine, try to steal my glory. Nigga going crazy, it's hard to ignore me. Bitch bad, but she starting to bore me. Got 100 more, they waiting for me. I can down them with the barrier sweater. Off-white kicks, I don't match it, I'm clever. Fuck a price, I get it, whatever. Say you had twins, nigga, send them whichever. Catch a vibe, I'm wavy as ever. Spend a bag, no saving my cheddar. Saucy nigga, mix the Rex and Margiela. Give a fuck by the nigga I never had. Should I give a fuck by the nigga I never? Saucy nigga, mix the Rex and Margiela. Spend a bag, no saving no cheddar. G's, all the on my jacket. Work hard, now I'm changing my bracket. Talk tough, we ain't hear that racket. Dots came, man, you know how to stack it. Take it wrong, but I'ma need my ends though. I got tigers on my chest like Kenzo. Rail came, yeah, he putting that Benz though. Carol's here, man, you know he stay 10 toes. Big dog, man, you know I ain't worried. Bent up, so I'm talking real slurry. Got a blast, bro, I'm always in a hurry. Big Drake, shooting 30 like Curry. Take a yerky, ain't know he stay passed up. You don't catch him late night, you asked up. No, real, how to put the E-class up. They like, X nigga, how you take the fast ride? Summer's coming, know the block is hot. Give a fuck if it's dark or not. They shooting niggas over parking spots.
Oh God. Alright, so now that I got this on and I got this on, I'm gonna try to put this on there and pull it off real quick, just so I can put the other red piece on and that hub that I have. And yeah, hopefully it'll work. I wasn't able to get it on video, but I yanked the crap out of it on there, and I was able to get the black piece off. And now I'm gonna put this red piece on. Hey, look at that. It's gonna look so much cleaner, boys. Look at that compared to this, bro. All right, so here's the hub that I have. Just opened it up. Look at this fire hub right here, boys. It's black, but it looks so much cleaner than that. I don't even know. Yeah, it looks so much better than that, dude. Look at the difference. That's hard. And then basically, this piece will bolt on here like that. Oh, that's hard. But anyway, so now I'm gonna install it to the steering shaft doodad. So it should. Oh my god, it was so easy, boys. It's so easy, and look at that fitment. Oh, that's fire. But anyway, put the nut down here. Take this nut, screw it on. All right. What did I do with the ratchet? The ratchet? What did I do with the socket? And now, look at this. Real mechanic stuff right here. One-handed baby. And then keep going. Alright. And according to me, taut is taut. And I don't think that's going nowhere. Let me just give it one more. Yeah, that ain't going nowhere. But anyway, boys, look at that. It fits so much better and it looks so good. So now all I gotta do is connect these wires up to this piece and put that on there. And then that's it.
Yeah, putting that Benz though. Cows here, man, you know you stay 10 toes. Big dog, man, you know I ain't worried. Bent up, so I'm talking real slurry. Got a blast, bro, I'm always in a hurry. Big Drake, shooting dirty like Curry. Take a yerky, ain't know you stay passed up. You don't catch me late night, you ass up. No, real, how to put the E-class up. They like, X, nigga, how you take the fast ride? Summer's coming, know the block is hot. Give a fuck if it's dark or not. They shooting niggas, old parking spots. Ain't pressed about it, we'll connect the dots. To the break it down, we don't told the cops. Give a fuck about if he was wrong or not. These niggas fake, these niggas talk a lot. So I gotta stay low, gotta get the guap. They pop shit, these niggas corny, they kettle. Break them down, no, you know I can't settle. Family matters, wavy heavy like metal. All guys got my foot on the pedal. Number 9 G's, red force, cause they stack nice. Hop on crack through the front, see the back light. Might get it fixed, and the bitch just act right. Big bro in the cut, sippin' on act like. iPhone crack through the front, see the back light. Might get it fixed, and the bitch just act right. Big bro in the cut, sippin' on act right. Big G's, no design on my jacket. Work hard, now I'm changing my bracket. Talk tough, we ain't hear that racket. Dogs came, man, you know how to stack it. Don't take it wrong, but I'ma need my ends though. I got tigers on my chest like Kenzo. Rail came, yeah, he putting that Benz though. Cows here, man, you know you stay 10 toes. Big dog, man, you know I ain't worried. Bent up, so I'm talking real slurry. Got a blast, bro, I'm always in a hurry. Big Drake, shooting dirty like Curry. Take a yerky, ain't know you stay passed up. You don't catch me late night, you ass up. No, real, how to put the E-class up. They like, X, nigga, how you take the fast ride?
So y'all already know. Look at that shit. Woo, look at it. Little dusty, but hey, it's so good. Look at that. Look at this red. Look at this red. Look at this red. Oh, that's fire, boys. Look at that red. You see that red? You see that red? You see that red? Look at that red. And then look at that red. And then look at that red. Oh, look at that red. Oh, shit. All right, boys. Let's see how it does. Let's see how it does. So, we having a problem, boys. I mounted the logo right, but I'm pretty sure you're supposed to buy some sort of adapter to like make the wheel straight, because I lined all the dots up, but whenever I put it on here, listen to this. Oh, look at this, boys. It's so perfect. But the thing is, look at the way the steering wheel is tilted. So this would be the right way for the steering wheel. But like this part would be downward. But for some reason it is turned. If y'all look, the wheels are perfectly straight. Actually, no, they're not. Okay, so maybe I'm just delusional. So the wheels look straight to me, and I just turned them straight. And now it's upside down. But I'm pretty sure I can flip it, so hold on, let me try it real quick. Let me try it. Come on, baby. Bro, no. What did I do wrong, boys? That's so gay. Oh my god, I'm about to take it all the way apart. Okay, so as you can see, the NRG logo is now facing the right direction and the numbers are on the bottom. So I'll put it back on here. And oh, yo, it's so perfect, boys. Hold up, I'm gonna take it back off real quick. But anyway, I'm gonna put the rest of these bolts in really quick, since now I know I got it right. And yeah. All right. So I don't know what the hell they're doing. So I'm gonna close their door. Now we're in silence, and me and my baby can have a one-on-one conversation. But anyway, take the wheel. Put it on there. Oh wait, it's not all the way on there. Oh, boys. That is fire. Hold up. Oh, look at, oh, yo, it's so fire. Oh, look at this, boys. It is fire. That is so clean. Oh my god. By the way, I don't have a seat yet, so I set like perfect head level to drive this car without a seat. So what are we thinking? Test drive without a seat? Maybe.